Today, we're going to solve a problem about calculating the average salary of a company's employees. And I'm going to show you a tip on how to do a multiplication calculation in a really simple way. But first, subscribe to the channel. A lot of people are watching and not subscribing, so make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment below if you manage to find the answer. Let's get to the problem. 100 employees of a company are divided into two departments, production and administration. Employees within the same department receive equal salaries. The table shows the number of employees per department and their respective salaries. We have the production department with 75 employees, each earning $2,000, and the administration department with 25 employees, each earning $7,000. What is the average salary of the employees in this company? Will it be option A, B, C, D, or E? So let's do the calculation here. Production, I'll call it P here, which is equal to 75 times 2,000. We can calculate it like this: 2,000 and the 75 here. Or what I'm actually going to do is the other way around, which is easier. The result would be the same, but 75 on top and the 2,000 below. Whenever we have a number like this with zeros, 2,000, 2,000, 3,000, it's easier to calculate this way, and now you'll see why. First of all, how many zeros do we have here? 3. You just put the zeros here. Look, right away. Now, let's calculate the 2. 2 times 5, 10, carry 1. 2 times 7, 14, plus 1, 15, 150,000. Faster and more practical. Now let's calculate the administration. Same idea, 25 times 7,000. Repeat the zeros here, which are 3. 7 times 5, 35, carry 3. 7 times 2, 14, plus 3, 17. 165,000. Now let's see what the total value of both is. Production, which is 150,000, and administration, 175,000. Let's add them up here. 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 7, 12. Carry 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2, and 1, 3. 325,000. How do we find the average? It's the total salary divided by the number of employees. What is the number of employees? 100. Do we need to do a division by 100 here? No. When we divide by 100, you just move the decimal point 2 places. So here, move it 1, 2. The decimal point ends up here. So what's the answer? 3,250. Correct answer, letter C. We've reached the average. I showed here how to calculate it in a simpler way, and that's it. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.